Disabling two-factor authentication on Webull is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you can easily manage your account security settings. Step 1. Log into your Webull account. Open the Webull app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account or Settings option in the menu. This is usually found in the Profile section or the main menu. Step 3. Access Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, find and select Security or Security Settings. This section contains all options related to account security, including two-factor authentication. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Look for the option labeled two-factor authentication or 2FA. There should be an option to disable it. Click on this option and follow any prompts to confirm your decision. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Once you have completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be disabled on your Webull account. Always remember to keep your account secure by using strong passwords and monitoring your account activity.